This is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the ransomware that is called Worry. In my video, I will demonstrate to you what exactly happens with the files when they get encrypted and damaged by this ransomware. So my video will be strictly for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, but unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Worry may be very easily injected into the computer. It is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Worry extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your funds and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to scan your device with the reliable anti-ransomware that will help you to detect and delete this ransomware. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start researching your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.